In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Proposify template. This process is straightforward, intuitive, and designed to equip you with the skills needed to customize your documents efficiently. So, let's dive right in and walk through this together. First, we'll start by opening your preferred internet browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, just open it up and head over to your search bar. Enter Proposify and hit Enter. The search results might present you with numerous options, but what you're looking for is either the very first link or any link with the URL proposify.com. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the Proposify homepage, keep an eye out for the Log In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page, inviting you to access your account. Give that a click, and if prompted, enter your login details to satisfy the site's requirement to access its features. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate your way to the Templates section. This valuable feature can usually be found in the main navigation menu, or perhaps under a broader menu like the Content Library. Here, all your template options reside, waiting for you to personalize them. In the template library, take a moment to scan through the available templates and locate the one you wish to work on. Once you've identified it, click on the template of your choice. This action will open it up in the editor, offering you a canvas to modify as per your requirements. As you're within the editor, you'll see that Proposify provides the flexibility to interact with various elements on the page. Click directly on the text boxes, images, and other components you wish to edit. You can change text content, adjust the sizes of images, or move elements around to better fit your design goals. Feel free to experiment with different layouts until you achieve the look you're going for. Beyond individual elements, you also have the option to modify the structure of the template itself. Use the side menu to insert new sections, eliminate ones that are unnecessary, or reshape the order they appear in to better fit the flow of your proposal. Proposify also allows you to import sections from your content library if you have specific or specialized needs that require different content blocks. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide on how to edit a Proposify template. With these steps, you're now well equipped to customize your proposals, making them uniquely tailored to your projects and brand image. Feel free to explore and refine your templates until they meet your exact specifications. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing.